I'm Scott Porter, founder of San Diablo Artisan Churros, and in this video, we're going to tell you all about a little bit of the backstory and what goes on at Dia de los Churros, National Churro Day on June 6th. Stay tuned. Since 2016, we've literally made millions of fresh churros on our mission to fill lives with happiness, one churro at a time. And we've done that at more than 8,000 weddings, corporate parties, festivals, and sporting events, and with 35,000 churro making kits sold worldwide. Recently, we launched our new frozen take and bake churros and our snackable, irresistible itty bitty churros so that everyone can have churros on demand. You can find us at Super Targets, Associated Foods, and Harmons, and many more to come. And we're going wholesale with frozen churros to restaurants, theme parks, and sporting venues looking to help people live their best churro lives. So I am sure that this is probably on all of your calendars. June 6th is National Churro Day. We call it Dia de los Churros. And it is a reason for a churro palooza. For us, this is all about having, celebrating everything to do with the churro and celebrating you, and just doing so by filling your life with happiness, one churro at a time. And so, Dia de los Churros, super fun fiesta all day long. What we've done in the past is it's for everyone. Everyone can come. Every single person gets one free churro. And you can obviously get more if you'd like. There's food, and this year, let me just tell you about what happened this year. So we were outside the parking lot. We basically commandeered the parking lot at Harmons in Lehi, Utah, Harmons is one of the grocery stores where we have our take and bake churros and our itty bitty churros. And so we thought that this would be a really fun tie-in and connection with them. Wonderful hosts. It was just so amazing to be in front of Harmons. It's just a basic carnival festival sort of vibe. Families can come, kids of all ages. So we had little kids there, babies, and grandmas and grandpas bringing their kids and grandkids and having a great time eating churros. We have music, entertainment. This year we had a couple of fun, different things that we haven't had in the past. Because we were wanting to emphasize about our frozen take and bake churros, these ones right here, we did a number of frozen activities. So we had an ice bath station where you could literally, it was so hot that day, so everyone wanted to get in there. But we had an ice bath from our friends at Plunge in Saratoga Springs. And that was incredible. We also had a giant snow globe that the kids could play in, and there was snow inside, and it was so much fun. Then we also did a couple of activities that were itty bitty. So to highlight the fact that we have itty bitty churros, for example, we had an itty bitty jewelry making station. So we turned our itty bitty churros into beads that look like itty bitty churros. So everyone was making bracelets. We had people making earrings, little pendants, all sorts of fun things. And that was actually the most busy station throughout the day. We had an itty bitty petting zoo. So we had all these little tiny animals, chinchillas and baby goats and all sorts of cute little animals that we all love to see and mostly watch kids at the petting zoo. And it was fantastic. We also introduced an itty bitty banana split and an itty bitty churro sundae. And so those were kind of some fun new food items that we highlighted when we were there. But it was just a fiesta all day long. For 8 hours, all the churro lovers in Utah were assembling to fill their lives with happiness and deep fried happiness, especially during Dia de los Churros. We had thousands of dollars in door prizes that we were giving away from the neighboring businesses and other friends of San Diablo that donated tons of items, everything from a battery packed power generator that was worth $500 to other I think there were like t-shirts and all sorts of other fun things. So it was a blast. We hope to do these Dia de los Churros events and fiestas all over the country someday. So if you have any ideas on where should be our next Dia de los Churros event, because we're certainly going to be doing one in 2026, because at that point we're going to be in a lot of different places all over the country. So please drop a comment here, shoot me a DM on either LinkedIn or Instagram. We'd love to be in touch with you and hear any of your fun, crazy, churro forward ideas to celebrate Dia de los Churros. So come join the fiesta next June 6th. Put it on your calendars.